guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am a little bit embarrassed because my room is a freaking disaster. I haven't slept in here for about maybe like 2-3 days. I've been sleeping in my living room and I've just been coming in to change clothes or pick out shoes or whatnot. So today is the day we need to go ahead and clean up this room in here. So no long talking or anything because y'all know I talk too much. So I have my music playing and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my room is looking like now. So this is what we're currently looking like. Some things I'm going to take out. Especially in here. And then my bed. So to assist me with my cleaning, I have a clean rag here. And then I have this cleaner and bleach from Target that I'm gonna go ahead and use to wipe down my stuff that needs to be wiped down. Y'all wouldn't believe what just happened. My tripod broke. So I still want to continue filming the video, so I'm gonna check to see like some angles, how I can get my phone propped up. So let me figure some things out. so we're all done. And let me just give y'all a quick overview of everything. If you guys want to know where I got anything from, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will go ahead and answer you guys, as well as if I can find the link, I will try to leave the link down below as well for you in the comments. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. And we had a broken tripod, but you know, I still tried to make it through for you guys. So yeah, go ahead and like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.